Here we go. Video number 9 out of 100 lives challenge that I'm in. Welcome. My name is Ingrid. We're going to talk about presentations, about fear of presentations. In this case, imagine that you're standing on a stage and you just walked out there and you see all those people looking at you, and you suddenly, within 5 seconds, you begin to feel uneasy, right? All those eyes staring at you and not in your stomach. Your mouth is getting dry. Maybe your knees are getting a little bit shaky. The fear of presentation. It has 75% of the world population has it. So don't be embarrassed that you do, but there are several things that you can get over it. And one of the things that you can do is to have a mantra. What I mean is, you need to think about this. It's not about you. The presentation is not about you. Fear is something that you feel, that you experience, something from the past, maybe something has happened, or you have a fear of something that is coming. But whatever your fear is, it's all about you. Your public only asks one thing: what's in it for me? We talked about that in an earlier video, W2FM, the radio station, remember? They don't care that you fear. Well, that's maybe a little bit harsh said, but it's not their concern. They have a problem, you have the solution. So if you can switch that fear into, okay, it's not about me, it's about them. It's about them. So in the beginning, I always wrote it on top of the presentation notes that I had with me when I was on the stage. It's not about you. So whenever you feel the fear, just breathe in. It's not about you, and deliver your message. Make sure that your energy goes out. Fear, it has a backwards energy. You feel it, right? You want to step back and you want to hide and maybe run away. But your energy needs to go forward. Deliver. Give them the information that they need. It's not about you. It's about them.